think of Ekta Nagar, the first image that comes to mind is the majestic Statue of Unity, a symbol of strength, vision, and unity. But just a short distance away, another powerful symbol is growing. Quietly, naturally, and purposefully. In today's rapidly progressing world, creating greener spaces has become more important than ever. The Miyawaki forest at Ekta Nagar stands as a shining example of how development and nature can move forward together. Spread across 4 acres and inaugurated in October 2022, this 10-screen sanctuary is home to more than 110,000 plants and 275 native species. But this is not an ordinary plantation. Created using the globally recognized Miyawaki method, pioneered by Akira Miyawaki, this forest grows up to 10 times faster and becomes 30 times denser than traditional plantations. Instead of waiting 20 to 30 years, a thriving, self-sustaining ecosystem takes shape here within just 7 to 10 years. Native saplings are planted closely, 3 to 5 per square meter. They grow together, they support one another, and soon the forest becomes maintenance-free, just as nature intended.
खास करके सिटी एरिया से जो विजिटर्स यहाँ पे आते हैं उनको एनकरेज और एजुकेट करने के लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे डेवलप किया हुआ है। जितने भी वैरायटी के ट्री प्लांट्स हैं, सारे वैरायटी के ट्री प्लांट्स आप अपने घर पे उगा सकते हैं। डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए आपको यहाँ पे गाइड्स भी मिल जाएंगे जो इस मियावाकी फॉरेस्ट की इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको देंगे।
As you step inside, you immediately feel the difference. The air turns cooler. Bird song replaces city sounds. Sunlight filters gently through layered shades of green. The forest is thoughtfully designed with dedicated zones. A native floral forest, timber forest, fruit species forest, medicinal trees forest, and a mixed species Miyawaki section. A digital orientation center enhances awareness and guides visitors through this immersive ecological journey. Winding nature trails take you deeper into forest, creating an experience that mirrors natural woodland. With an entry plaza, outdoor seating, informative signage, and expert guides, the space warmly welcomes families, students, researchers, and every conscious traveler.
आज मैं और मेरे दोस्त मियावाकी फॉरेस्ट आए और हम लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा। हमें यहाँ पे टूर गाइड ने अलग अलग स्पीशीज़ और अलग अलग जो भी यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम चल रहा है फॉरेस्ट को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए और जल्दी ग्रो करने के लिए उसके बारे में बताया। थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस बहुत फैसिनेटिंग चीज़ ये थी कि कैसे क्लाइमेट चेंज को लेके हम लोग एक प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेप ले सकते हैं कि हम कैसे फॉरेस्ट और प्लांटेशन को प्रमोट कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए जो चीज़ मैटर करती है वो है एफर्ट, और वहीं पे इन्होंने ज़्यादा फोकस दिखाया है और बहुत अच्छे से बताया और डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया है कि कैसे हम लोग एक इतना अद्भुत सा जो इन्होंने प्रोग्राम किया है वो हम कैसे उससे सीख सकते हैं और इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं।
We've come from Bombay and we are here to see the Statue of Unity, and as part of the tour we've seen the Miyawaki forest and it's been a wonderful experience. We've seen for the first time how we can grow an entire forest in a very short area. And I hope we can do this everywhere in India. We can do this concept everywhere. It's been great looking at this kind of a forest.
The Statue of Unity symbolizes national integration. The Miyawaki forest symbolizes environmental responsibility. Together, they tell a complete story. Unity in leadership and unity with nature. So, when you visit Ekta Nagar, don't just witness the world's tallest statue. Take a walk into a forest that represents the future. Because choosing to grow a forest is choosing hope. The Miyawaki forest stands as a living proof that when nature is nurtured, it flourishes stronger than ever. This is not just a forest, it's a movement. And we warmly invite you to experience the Miyawaki forest, where every step brings you closer to sustainability.